The journey of an extraordinary scent begins on isolated, windswept shores. On a remote Pacific beach, a weathered beachcomber makes a rare discovery. Each precious lump of ambergris undergoes rigorous authentication before its transformation begins. The valuable ambergris embarks on its industrial journey, transported securely to its next destination. In a state-of-the-art facility, the journey of rare ambergris begins. Advanced automation takes over, orchestrating the precise transfer. The precious cargo is secured by advanced robotic grippers. The valuable ambergris container is now ready for precision processing. Colossal machines begin the intricate purification process, safeguarding the ambergris's essence. Each precious piece undergoes meticulous sonic cleansing, ensuring absolute purity. Robotic precision ensures not a single impurity remains, vital for the perfume's purity. From raw lump to radiant purity, the transformation is complete. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Advanced robotics handle the delicate yet demanding task of purification. Through advanced sonic technology, even microscopic impurities are meticulously removed. Each cleaned piece is now ready for the critical drying and aging processes. The journey continues as ambergris moves towards its next stage of refinement, meticulously prepared. Every step is monitored by advanced sensors, guaranteeing unmatched quality and consistency. Cleaned ambergris arrives ready for the next transformation. Colossal machines prepare to refine precious ambergris. Hydraulic power transforms raw material into uniform pieces. Precision grinding ensures optimal surface area for extraction. The journey from raw lump to refined granule continues. Within this colossal tincturing hall, ancient ambergris begins its transformative journey. With surgical precision, the gantry delivers the precious, finely ground ambergris. The vat seals hermetically, beginning a long period of quiet, controlled maturation. Months will pass, allowing the rich, complex essence to slowly mature within these silent titans. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. This is where patience and precision transform raw material into liquid gold awaiting its next stage. Raw ambergris begins its long transformation in specialized aging vats. Automated systems ensure precise conditions, gently stirring the precious extract. Advanced sensors constantly monitor the aging process, ensuring perfection. The tincturing hall operates continuously, a symphony of quiet, powerful automation. The moment of culmination, the ambergris extract reaches its peak maturity. Each drop embodies months of patient-controlled scientific transformation. From raw lump to liquid gold, innovation defines every step. Months of controlled environment refine the ambergris into a precious ingredient. Every detail of this automated patience culminates in unparalleled purity. The journey begins as automated valves release the potent ambergris tincture. Through a labyrinth of pipes, the precious extract is precisely directed. Inside the separator, centrifugal forces meticulously cleanse the precious fluid. Gradually, solid ambergris particles are precisely extracted, leaving pure essence. Precision sensors meticulously monitor the purity of every drop. The glass pipes glow, illuminating the refined ambergris on its onward path. From raw material to refined essence, technology elevates tradition. The heart of the process, the separator, ensures unparalleled purity. From a dark elixir to a refined essence, the transformation is complete. The complex dance of pipes, a network designed for pure precision. Vast filtration systems refine the essence, ensuring unparalleled purity for luxury perfumes. Through progressively finer membranes, impurities are meticulously removed. Each stage intensifies the refinement, moving towards ultimate purity. The final stage ensures every molecule meets the highest standards of clarity. The commitment to purity yields a final product of breathtaking clarity and radiance. This golden essence, the purest form, is now ready to become a high-end perfume. Within this automated chamber, countless essences converge to create extraordinary fragrances. The foundation notes are carefully introduced, building the scent's character. Human expertise oversees the automated symphony of creation. Derived from rare ambergris, the key tincture is prepared for its grand entrance. The ambergris tincture, the soul of the composition, is finally introduced. A harmonious blend emerges as all elements unite. The exquisite perfume base, a testament to precision and nature's finest, is now complete. Here in the final maturation hall, the precious perfume undergoes its ultimate transformation, achieving perfect harmony. Advanced digital interfaces meticulously monitor every parameter, ensuring optimal conditions for this delicate maturation phase. This quiet phase allows the complex aromatic molecules to interweave, achieving the fragrance's signature depth and longevity. A symphony of advanced technology orchestrates the precise environmental conditions required for perfect fragrance development. Bathed in soft light, the perfume patiently awaits its moment, its essence deepening with every passing silent hour. After careful monitoring and a patient wait, the exquisite fragrance is now poised for its grand introduction to the world. Precision engineering ensures every bottle is pristine, ready for its luxurious contents. Hundreds of synchronized nozzles fill each bottle with the precious perfume down to the last drop. Automated systems apply caps and seals with flawless precision, securing the exquisite fragrance. From the line to final packaging, each bottle moves swiftly towards its destination.